Alright, so if you're like me and you're old, washed, and trash, you don't know what the hell ChatGPT is.
What?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Bro back with another video. Today we're about to redesign ChatGPT's logo, so stay tuned and check it out. Peace. A quick disclaimer, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I mean no disrespect by redesigning the logo. Shout out to the original designers. Peace. Alright guys, before we even get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all really be helping my channel grow. Right now we at 218 subs. We only gonna keep growing, keep getting better, and I'm gonna keep dropping this dope content. Alright, so if you're like me and you're old, washed, and trash, you don't know what the hell ChatGPT is.
What?
However, I got the rundown of what it is. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. Now, when I think about this, fam, I would not have failed out of college if I had ChatGPT. I would have been cheating like a motherfucker. Fam, I hated school because I hate math. You new age kids, y'all lucky as hell, bro. Y'all lucky in the motherfucker. But anyway, we're about to redesign this logo, man. Shout out to El Pulito. I hope I didn't mess your name up, man. He left 2 comments. The first one said, bro, what the hell? I actually thought you were an ultra famous YouTuber with 10 million subs because, well, you have the quality of a 10 million subs YouTuber and a lot of talent. And then I saw you were at 210 and now you're at 211, bro. Keep up the good work, man. Shout out to him. That's love. And he also said, make ChatGPT's logo without using Dolly to generate a logo. Appreciate the love in the comments. I told you I was gonna get to it. He was on the list. We here now. Let's knock this out. All right, so my goal for this logo is to combine an envelope, messenger, a robot, and an alien into a one singular logo. I want to make this fun, friendly, and inviting.
You son of a bitch.
I want to make it a straight to the point logo that can be used on multiple platforms. Some of the adjectives that I use for ChatGPT's logo: personable, helpful, quick, trendsetter. There could have been more before this one, but I feel like this is the most mainstream version. Please correct me in the comment section if I am wrong. What we're going to do is we're going to create a mascot-esque type logo, emblem, something that can be used on multiple mediums, something that can be used on merch and stuff like that. But we're going to make sure to keep it simple, keep it universal, keep it versatile. As you see, this is the first wave of sketches that I worked through. I was going through a lot of ideas on this. I really don't like any of them. I just didn't think they fit the wave. However, today, when I started this video, I came up with some dope illustration. I wanted to go in a completely different direction than their initial logo because, to me, I'm reimagining the logo. These up here were just cleansing my palette a little bit more, but this idea sparked a whole personality behind the logo. I was thinking like, damn, I really could create like his own personality. When I was interacting with ChatGPT, it was like a fluid conversation, but it was waiting for me to ask questions. So I said, what expression gives off the idea that they're asking a question? Okay, so right here, kind of waiting on you to ask it. So I was like, okay, let's go there. Let's see what we can do. I started off with an envelope and a letter because, you know, messenger system. Then we go here and we got an arrow with a lightning bolt at the top, prized eyes with the nice shoes. But I was like, that's too much detail. I don't really want all that detail in it. Here we are, we got to the alien. Like, this idea right here led me here. It was a direct correlation right there. So this is me combining an envelope, an alien, a robot, and a messenger all into one. That's what that would look like right here. So then I took it further and added more personality to it. Okay, let's add the lightning bolt back to it. I took out the antennas and just made one big lightning bolt antenna with bigger eyes, a smaller mouth. And then I'll use the one eye on the thing, move down, and I got this with the lightning bolt and the messenger arrow at the bottom. What we're gonna do, we don't have any favorites in this thing yet. I think I'm gonna try to create them and see what happens. Let's get started. So this is where we are with the logo so far. Not quite that bad. I don't know how I feel about it just yet. I feel like I can make some changes to it. I tried to keep it too even and too congruent, and I really just need to let it fly. Not worry about evening it out as much, but more so just making it look dope and then cleaning up the lines later on. I think I'm jumping too far ahead in this thing. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Alright, so with this first alien, a little wonky right here. You can always smooth it out and whatnot, but I don't know. I feel like this should be a lot shorter. Like it should be up here almost. Let me try to fix it. I like that a lot better. I feel like that's more versatile. Starting to make a little bit of progress now. Y'all let me know what y'all think so far, man. I like it. I like it. I feel like it hit the point of what I was trying to create, you know, a friendly, inviting logo. I think it hit the point, but you know, as always, I want to know what y'all think. Which one do y'all like better? Do y'all like the eyes, the clear eyes, the one where you can see through? So if you put it on a shirt, you'd see the material through the eye, this part, or do you like it filled in? Personally, I like it filled in. I think it gives it more personality, and it also makes it kind of look like glasses. I like it. Let me know what y'all thinking so far. I want to add this lightning bolt to the middle of his head because when I was using it, when I was using ChatGPT, it was instant. You know, like all the information you need is instantly coming to you. So for me, lightning bolts mean instantaneous, right? But it might add too much detail. I don't want to overthink this, which is my favorite thing to do in the world. I think we're gonna go with the lightning bolt in the middle of the head, and I just want to keep adding personality to it, but not overdoing it at the same time. I like it. I'm gonna keep it. If you guys would like a part 2 of this series, let me know. We had a bunch of ideas that could have just been a wave, so y'all let me know if you would like for me to create a part 2. Leave that in the comments. We'll do a part 2. I promise you. That'll be the next video. I promise you. Let me know. So far, I like this though. It's starting to have personality. Y'all let me know what y'all think. This is the final logo design right here. I'm presenting to you. I'm gonna go get the colors and get everything right. You know how I do. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. I appreciate y'all for making it this far, and let's present the logo to you. Alright guys, this is the final logo. I'm gonna break everything down for you right now. Alright, so as far as the colors go, you got the electric green and the black. I went with the electric green just because we implemented a lightning bolt in the forehead and in the actual design of the caricature. So like I wanted to further double down on it just being an electric brand as far as the functionality of the brand. When you use ChatGPT, everything is so quick, so fast paced, and it's like you're talking to a regular human. I wanted to feel like that when you see this brand, when you see this electric green, the answers are quick, the service is quick, everything is boom, boom, boom. So that's why we chose electric green on black. I thought it looked classic, I thought it looked clean, and I thought it would just set it apart from every other brand out there. As you can see, it looks great on black as well. I can see this being on all types of mediums as far as like apparel, you know, merch, websites, digital products, all types of things. Y'all let me know if you can see that too. If you guys want me to create another logo from the sketches, I definitely can do that and just create a different version of this. do like a part 2. I think that could be really dope. Maybe something that could be better than this. I would love to see other graphic designers remix the ChatGPT logo and create something better. I would love to see it. I think that this community is incredibly creative, and I would love to just see what you guys can come up with. So if y'all made it this far, thank you for even making it this far. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with a family member or a friend, and I will see y'all next week. Peace.